Before you buy a pressure washer, here are the few things that matter most. The largest number on the box is usually PSI, but PSI is only part of the story. PSI measures cleaning pressure. GPM measures how much water the machine moves each minute. Pressure helps loosen dirt, while water flow helps wash it away. For effective cleaning, you need both. Higher PSI is not automatically better. The right pressure washer depends on what you plan to clean. Cars, patio furniture, windows, and other delicate surfaces require lower pressure, a wider nozzle, and more distance. Decks, siding, fences, and similar household jobs generally call for moderate pressure and careful technique. Stubborn dirt on concrete benefits from more pressure and water flow. The nozzle you use and how far you hold it from the surface also make a major difference. For many homeowners, an electric pressure washer is the more practical choice. Electric models are quieter, easier to store, and require less maintenance. They are well suited to ordinary cleaning jobs around the home. Gas pressure washers are generally more powerful and can clean large areas faster. However, they are also louder, heavier, and require more maintenance. For light cleaning, such as washing a car, patio furniture, windows, or a small porch, a compact electric pressure washer may be all you need. For general home use, consider a stronger electric model with several nozzle options and a useful hose length. For large concrete areas, heavily stained surfaces, frequent use, or more demanding jobs, a gas pressure washer may save considerable time. Buy for the work you actually plan to do, not simply for the biggest number. So there are 3 basic types worth considering. For lighter jobs, choose a compact electric pressure washer. For general household cleaning, a stronger electric model offers more cleaning ability while remaining relatively quiet and easy to maintain. For large concrete areas and tougher cleaning jobs, a gas pressure washer may provide the power and speed you need. The bottom line is simple: match the pressure washer to the job you actually need it to perform. Consider both pressure and water flow, and do not shop by PSI alone. I've linked currently available recommendations for each category in the description so you can compare prices, specifications, and availability. If this helped you make a smarter buying decision, subscribe to Data Driven Buyer for more clear, practical buying guides.